Worldwatch as of 10 p.m. PST, July 14th, and 5E has formed in the Eastern Pacific. Here it is. Well organized convection over the LC. I mean, you could argue it's all a tropical storm. It has been. It's probably producing 35 to 40 knot winds, in my opinion, but we all know the ANC and how slow they are in the Eastern Pacific. It has convective bands wrapping around the circulation to the north. The latest Dufford intensity from Tab remains at a T 2.5, which is 35 knots. But they went with satellite ADT estimates around 30. I mean, I disagree with this very much. I mean, this thing looks way better than Arthur ever did, that's for damn sure. It's moving westward at 275 by 14 knots. A strong subtropical ridge persists north of the cyclone supports this westward motion through Wednesday. By Thursday, weakness is forecast to develop in the ridge as an upper level trough approaches the west coast of the United States, causes the system to slow down and ready turn northwestward. Yeah, most likely. I expect this thing to probably become a Cat 2. I agree with this based on the models I see and intensity guidance. Here is their track. Definitely no reason to disagree with this. This is in line with the models, as you can see. Um, GFS, probably a little bit further north, comparatively. But, I mean, yeah, I mean, almost certainly going to become a hurricane in the next 72 hours. Um, EPS, a little bit to the west, almost certainly a hurricane, as you can see. Intensity guidance, I mean, it's been lowering a little bit, but still 80, 85 knots most likely at 60 to 72 hours. Yeah, there's a picture of it. As you can see, um, let's take a look at the two. We also have a system that could form behind it. It has 70%, and it has also great model support. There's 72 hours for 5. Let's go to 108. Try to get a system trying to form down here. And that's that other system, 70% system. Um, but yeah, GFS is definitely kind of backed off on it. Let's take a look at CMC. That's much stronger than that system. We're talking clear tropical storm, ECMWF, good amount weaker. Let's go to 144. Yeah, you got tropical storm. Let's see the GFS. GFS has been backing off on this second system. But longer term, it still intensifies into a healthy tropical storm. Anything formed in the, I don't expect anything to form in the Gulf. Models were definitely the AI models we're kind of hinting at now. They really don't. They're back to the off. We're kind of watching the Cape Verdes a little bit, especially with this system right here, south of the Cape Verdes. It's doubtful it's going to form, but I mean, it does look decent. Still a little bit early, and I mean, the share in the Caribbean and Central Atlantic is very hostile. So, I mean, you could argue if you can get an LC down to the surface. I mean, every once in a while you can get a depression south of the Cape Verde, but it doesn't mean it's gonna survive. That's for sure. Now we're going to go into the Central Pacific, where we have a couple investors. 90C definitely looks much better organized than 91, but it's still possible for formation. My opinion, I think 90C almost certainly is a depression right now. Um, but that's my opinion. 90C has 3060, while 91 has gone down to 4040. Um, Let's take a look at them. 90C at 10.7, 166 west. Expected to turn to the west in the next couple of days. Models are still strong tropical storm by 72 hours. I think this system definitely has a better chance of formation. 91 has kind of backed down, doesn't look really good at all. But there's still a chance of early and tropical storm. We'll have to see. Bivy is finally gone. Let's be honest. Um, so that is the systems we're watching for tonight. That is your world watch.